A high-protein diet is often synonymous with fitness goals, particularly for those seeking muscle gain or fat loss. The focus on protein not only aids in muscle building, but also supports fat loss by enhancing satiety and boosting metabolism. In this guide, I'll walk you through what I eat in a typical high-protein day to help you achieve those goals. Whether you're trying to bulk up, shed fat, or simply maintain a balanced diet, each meal and snack is packed with protein, but also contains the right balance of fats, carbohydrates, and micronutrients to keep energy levels up, promote recovery, and support overall health. You'll have practical meal ideas and tips to help structure your daily food intake, fueling your body in a way that supports both performance and aesthetics. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with veggies and whole wheat toast. The day begins with a hearty breakfast that ensures I start the day with a solid dose of protein. For me, scrambled eggs are an essential go-to as they offer high-quality protein that's easy to prepare and packed with amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. I typically use 3 to 4 whole eggs as they provide essential fats that support hormonal health and provide long-lasting energy. I incorporate a handful of vegetables, such as spinach, bell peppers, and onions, to add extra fiber, micronutrients, and bulk to the meal without adding significant calories. Vegetables also help improve digestion and keep me feeling full for longer periods. To complete this meal, I add 1 to 2 slices of whole wheat toast, offering complex carbohydrates to fuel the body throughout the morning and prevent energy dips. This meal provides a balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber that sets a strong foundation for the rest of the day. Mid-morning snack: Greek yogurt with almonds and berries. After a few hours, I usually feel the need for a snack to keep my metabolism active and stave off hunger until lunchtime. A great option that fits into a high-protein diet is Greek yogurt, which is thick, creamy, and packed with protein. A single cup of plain Greek yogurt can contain up to 20 grams of protein, making it a perfect snack for those looking to build muscle. Greek yogurt also provides probiotics that support gut health, an often overlooked benefit. To enhance the flavor and nutritional profile, I add a handful of almonds and mixed berries. Almonds provide healthy fats and fiber, which contribute to feeling fuller for longer, while the berries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in this snack not only satisfies my hunger, but also provides a steady source of energy until my next meal. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with quinoa. Lunch is a crucial meal for muscle recovery and energy levels, especially after a workout. A grilled chicken salad with quinoa is a great choice, providing 25 to 30 grams of lean protein per 6 ounces serving. Quinoa is a complete plant-based protein with all 9 essential amino acids, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. Mixed greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are nutrient-dense and full of vitamins and antioxidants. A simple olive oil dressing adds flavor and healthy fats, supporting muscle recovery and overall well-being. This well-rounded meal supports muscle gain and fat loss. Afternoon snack: protein shake with banana. Protein shakes are a quick and easy snack option for afternoon pick-me-ups, especially after a workout or to stay full until dinner. Blend a scoop of whey protein with banana and almond milk for muscle growth and recovery. Add a medium banana for natural sugars and potassium, replenishing glycogen stores and supporting muscle function. Mix almond milk to keep calorie count low, but oat milk or regular dairy milk can be used. This is a quick and convenient way to increase protein intake and enjoy a healthy serving of fruit and potassium. Dinner: salmon with sweet potato and steamed broccoli. For muscle recovery, I enjoy a dinner of grilled salmon, roasted sweet potatoes, and steamed broccoli. Salmon provides 25 to 30 grams of protein per serving and omega-3s for inflammation reduction. Sweet potatoes offer complex carbs, fiber, and vitamins, supporting muscle gain or fat loss. Broccoli adds fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins, boosting digestion and overall health. This balanced meal supports healing, growth, and nourishment after a workout. Evening snack: cottage cheese with chia seeds. Before heading to bed, I like to consume a snack that's rich in slow-digesting protein, as this helps fuel muscle repair while I sleep. Cottage cheese is a great choice because it's packed with casein, a protein that digests slowly and provides a sustained release of amino acids over several hours. A half-cup serving of cottage cheese can provide around 10 to 12 grams of protein, making it an ideal evening snack for muscle recovery. To further enhance the nutritional value, I add a tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and plant-based protein, making them a powerhouse of nutrients. They also help with satiety, ensuring that I stay full throughout the night. The combination of casein protein from the cottage cheese and the fiber and healthy fats from the chia seeds provides the perfect balance to end the day. This snack is a great way to support muscle recovery and prevent overnight hunger. If you found this guide on high-protein eating helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Protein Me Crazy, share your favorite high-protein meals in the comments below.